Welcome to BonaDrone Experience, an experience where everything can change. You can change the color. You can change the functionality, as well as the materials. But the BonaDrone Experience is much more.
Every day, drones are getting more popular, but we always have seen them designed to fulfill a specific function. And we wonder, what do we have to resign to the other ones? In BonaDrone, we have created a drone based on 3D printing, modular and customizable.
The personalization of your Mosquito starts before getting it. Thanks to 3D printing technology, you will be able to choose the color and the logo to make it unique. With the interchangeable accessories, you choose the function of your drone. Change the point of view of your open-air activities with a gimbal with which you can record great and stable videos. Carry objects and drop them wherever you want. And if all this was not enough, you can upgrade the structure with the carbon fiber kit. Change the base, the arms, or the drone.
The BonaDrone experience is more than enjoying making the Mosquito fly. With the accessories that you have chosen, the BonaDrone experience is also learning about the amazing quadcopter world, how they work, which parts they are assembled with, and why they fly.
That's why we offer all our products in a disassembled version, together with assembly and configuration manuals, which will allow you to have a Mosquito ready to fly.
In short, you choose where you want to start your BonaDrone experience, to begin with assembly or with a ready-to-fly version.
We enjoy so much working in BonaDrone. We have many ideas to share with you.
We want to improve our manufacturing capacity to offer a more efficient and faster service. This is just the beginning, and we need your support to go beyond.
We want that our BonaDrone experience becomes also yours. Back us on Indiegogo.